Hi, I'm Darren, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. This afternoon, this Sunday glorious afternoon, I snuck out to get a little bike ride in and thought it would be a great opportunity to remind you and invite you for any last-minute submissions for our upcoming Halloween doll party trick-or-treating. Really simple little process. Just send me a video 5 to 15 seconds long. Send it. You can either email it to me at Deron@dollsrescue.com, or you can upload it to your YouTube channel privately and send me the link. And if neither of those methods work for you, just drop me an email at Deron@dollsrescue.com and we'll sort something out. All you need to do is send a really short video of your doll dressed, or dolls dressed in Halloween. Any kind of doll, doesn't matter. We love them all, and the part of this is just an opportunity for us all to kind of collaborate together on a little Halloween fun. So what we suggest, or certainly one option, is put your doll in front of a door or behind a door, open the door on film, say trick or treat, show the doll or dolls, and cut it. That's it. Don't need to do anything else. Don't make any edits. This is an example of what we did a couple of years ago.
Yep.
Trick or treat!
Now that you saw that, this is what it looks like after I add a little background music and a title describing or showing your YouTube or name, whatever it is you want titled there.
Yep.
Trick or treat!
Super simple. Couldn't be any easier. Just do me the first, I'll do the second, and then we'll run them all together and show you, all of us having a little bit of Halloween fun. And it'll look something like this.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Don't you girls want to say thank you? Thank you! Wow! Trick or treat! Wanna trick or treat?
Yep.
Trick or treat!
Trick or treat!
Wait, what? Trick or treat!
Oh, trick-or-treaters, let's see who it is. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? We have the Cubesters here. Oh my goodness, we have a monster. And we have a kitty cat. Look at the mask on her. Ooh, she's got her kitty cat dress on. And her kitty cat shoes. And there's a bear coming up the stairs. And who is this here? We have we have a cow. Don't have a cow, Missy. All right. Have a good Halloween. Bye-bye.
Oh, how cute! What are you supposed to be?
Well, I'm a Halloween princess, and this is my friend Lizzie, and she's a witch.
Oh, well, happy Halloween!
We hope that you will make a submission. We just have another day or so. Try and get them in by, I think, Tuesday we decided. 2 days before Halloween gives me the day before Halloween to get it all together and upload it, of course, on Halloween. And that's it. So I hope you'll participate. drop me a line, send me the video, and of course, as always, thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.